Hello everybody, this is Stacy with Stacy's DP Crafts and More, back with another video. Today we are doing a whip and chat. Just getting all my lights on. Hopefully you can see everything here. It's been a long morning. I woke up at 4 o'clock this morning, couldn't go back to sleep. And I went ahead and made my coffee and got myself going for the day, went on my walk. Getting a section opened up here for us. I don't know how long I'm going to be on here today. My nose is still just really stuffy, and so far it's not gone further than my nose. So that's a good thing. So I've basically just been hunkering down and trying to get better. Getting the diamonds together. On our first color here, it's a lot of this number 5. It's a lot of this background color. That's what this painting has been, is just a lot of background. And then a little bit of confetti in between. So lots of that going on. How's everybody been doing? Hope everybody's been doing all right. Hope everybody's feeling well, and I pray everybody's had a good week so far. Still the beginning of the week, basically. Still a lot of the week left. Talked to my mom this morning already. She's out doing her walk with my dad. They go walking most mornings during the week. As long as she doesn't have Hayden, she goes walking. So Kathy's been doing good this week. Getting her chores done. Keeping her room picked up. So I made her some Oreo truffles the other day, and we've pretty much ate through those. Those were so good. It's a recipe I got off of my mom. It's basically Oreo cookies. I get gluten-free ones. And you mix it with softened cream cheese, and you roll them into balls, and then you dip them in chocolate. It's that easy. And I melt my chocolate in the microwave. I just get chocolate chips. You can get semi-sweet, milk chocolate, whatever you prefer. I get milk chocolate because of Kathy. That's what she likes. I like the semi-sweet better, but I'm not doing them for me, so. They're even good when they're not dipped in chocolate. And don't worry, they don't taste like cream cheese. They're just good. Set those down wrong. So yeah, I've got to call into my doctor. I don't know if I need an antibiotic for my nose or what, but I'm starting to feel that constant pressure like I have a sinus infection, which sucks, but hopefully it'll go away soon. Now I've got a symbol more down here. I don't know if you can see where I'm pointing to. I don't want to move the painting. But it's lost its stickiness. So nothing, no diamond will stick to it. That one symbol. So I'm going to have to glue that one in. I don't know if I can Mod Podge it or what I'm going to have to do. It's just one symbol. Everything around it is fine. So that's what I'll do, is I'll glue one in there. I'll have to get with my mom on what kind of glue to use, because I know she's had to glue diamonds in before. I have some crafting glue. Some craft glue somewhere right here. Kathy was using it. It's called Lucky Tacky. Or no, Tacky Glue. Turbo Tacky Glue. I don't know if this would work or not. It says it's an all-purpose adhesive. Why is it coming down the side? I never opened this. Now I'm going to have to play with this for a second, guys. Why is it doing that? I wonder if my son was messing with this. My 14-year-old that comes in here and plays Xbox, he likes to mess with my stuff sometimes. Gets on my everlast nerve, but he does it. It's like I'm going to have to make him quit letting him come in here. And just come in here to sleep at night and that be it. Because he can't leave my stuff alone. I hate to do that to him. I don't want to punish him the whole time he's here. But he's got to learn to leave my stuff alone. So we'll see. Oops, there was 4 of those. I finished watching a show called New Amsterdam. It's about a public hospital and the changes that a new medical director makes. The guy who plays the medical director does a really good job. I don't agree with everything in that show. Like, they made an episode about, never mind, I'm not going to get into politics. I don't agree with everything in that show, but it was a good show. I'd have to get into politics in order to explain, and I don't want to do that. Doggone it, I got wax on my, not wax, but putty on my painting. It's alright, my diamonds will still stick to it. What's everybody else been watching? Anything new? I'm looking for something new that I can get into and binge watch. I'm sure I'll find something. There were 5 seasons of New Amsterdam, and I went through those in a week. Maybe a little bit more. I have a lot of downtime, unfortunately. I like being busy. Makes time go by, but my legs only give me so much that I can do. I've been walking every day and trying to build up stamina. To go further every day. Wax got on there again, or putty, but that's all right. I'm not going to worry about it. It's about time to change my putty. When it starts doing that, I'm just trying to wait till after I get done with this whip and chat before I do that. I like to use the putty until I can't use it anymore, because it's not cheap to buy. It's not extremely expensive, but it's not cheap either, so I prefer it over wax just because it seems to stay sticky longer. Which is something that I like. I have to open up. I've got another bag of these. I think 2 more bags of this color. I don't see a lot of difference in the color from this number 5 that I'm doing now and this L that's in the middle. I don't see a lot. It's like it's in every section, but I don't see a difference in the color. So I don't know. I guess maybe it adds something that I just am not noticing. All of this color blocking makes these sections go quick, and if I would just sit down in here and diamond paint more than what I've been doing, I would be done with this in no time. But my head starts to swim from my nose being so stuffy over the last week that I haven't really sat in here and diamond painted as much as I want to. It's like I'm having diamond painting withdrawals, but oh, come on and stick. I can't seem to sit in here for as long as I want to. If it wasn't for that, I would be done with this thing. There I go getting quiet again. Y'all know me. I get so into what I'm doing that I forget that I'm so into it. I love this so much. I just start thinking about stuff and start to get relaxed and not worrying about life. And that's what I do. I get busy and I forget to talk. There. So we got that done. Some of these diamonds are sticking to each other. I don't know if it's static or if I've had to pull them off of the painting, or if they're just, I don't know. I'll have to use my drill separator on them later, and I'm not going to do it right at the moment, but I may have to do that. Let's see, L is number 18. I'll get those L's. Who have you guys been watching on YouTube lately? Give me some ideas of some new people to watch. Trying to decide what I want to make for dinner tonight. Probably enchiladas. I made them last week and I have some leftover filling that I need to get through. So that's probably what I'm making for tonight, is chicken enchiladas. With some rice. Some Mexican rice. It'll be good. Alright, now this H that's in this heart, I think I wanted to do an AB in there. What do I have open already? Let's see. Let me pull out my ABs. I've got this one. There's this H on this heart, and then there's some up here. I wonder if this is enough to do those. I'm going to try it. If not, I've got another pink AB in here that I can use. But we're going to start with this one. Give this painting a little bit of more sparkle. This is really the first painting that I've actually added ABs to. I've always just done what was charted in my Diamond Art Club paintings and stuff like that. I never really added ABs to anything. So I bought some, plus what I've saved from my previous paintings. And I've got enough to play with now. So I thought I would make some of these areas stand out. There we go. Pretty. Now we'll keep these out for when we get to that top one. Makes me wish I would have done that L that you can't see. Makes me wish I would have done that one in one of them ABs in another color with an AB. But I didn't. I didn't start out that way, so I haven't. I keep finding little ones that I dropped. Anyways, I didn't do it, so I'm kind of stuck with what's charted as far as the L's go. Almost done, guys. We almost have a whole nother section done. We got a hitchhiker in there. I'll move that to the side. Where did it go? There. There it is. All right. There we go. One more. Right there. One more color and we're done, folks. Let me know what you guys think about those ABs. Can you tell a difference in them? Does it make that heart stand out? I don't know what it looks like through the camera because I haven't looked. There we go. We are done. One more section out of the way. I'll have this done in a couple of days. I could sit down and do it all today, but I'm not going to. I know me. Not with my head the way it is. But that's all right. We're working on it. But yeah, let me know what you think about that AB. Can you tell a difference? Can you see it? See what it looks like through the camera. Yeah, you can see that that's a good looking AB. And you can see how shiny. These diamonds are shiny. I have no complaints about the diamonds that came with this painting. They are very shiny and they're good quality. I haven't had hardly any trash at all, if any. They've been great so far, so can't complain. I've had them where you get these inexpensive paintings and they're such a pain to do because the diamonds are just not any good, or I've had paintings you get where the glue is just, you can't work with it. And I've had 2 or 3 of those paintings that I've gotten that I've just given up on because I can't deal with the glue or I can't deal with the diamonds. And that's okay. I don't mind it. I don't mind giving up on them. I'm not going to persevere. I know me. I just get too frustrated. There's no sense. This is supposed to be fun. I'm supposed to be enjoying myself. This is a Calgon take me away moment for me when I diamond paint. So that's the way I want it to feel. So if I get a painting where the glue isn't good, the diamonds are bad, I'm not going to do it. My mom, she'll work. She's got that perseverance. She'll deal with it. She will work through it. She doesn't care. Me, I just can't do it. So that's just the way it works. So I'm going to get off here and get this uploaded and figure out what I'm going to do about that missing letter. It's right here. See, can you see it? It's right there. I've tried putting a diamond in there. It just pops right out no matter what I do. So I'm going to glue. If I can't get this glue out, then I will. Maybe my husband can open it for me. If I can't get this glue out, then I'll use something else. But this may not even be the right kind of glue, but it does. It's an all-purpose adhesive, so we'll see. All right, y'all. Have a great rest of your day, great rest of your week. Don't forget about our Facebook group. It's growing. We've got 30-something ladies in there now. It's growing slowly. That's fine. But we talk about our diamond painting. We show what we're working on. Other people that work on other crafts show what they're working on. Crochet, cross stitch, scrapbooking, card making, whatever it is that you do, we don't mind. It doesn't have to be 100% diamond painting. We just like the interaction and seeing what people are doing. And so if you want to be a part of that, I'll leave the link in the description box below. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.